In the previous video, we already uploaded all the content that we need and also we designed the screen layout. In this video, we're going to configure what the screen is going to play by default. There are three types of playback modes: skin, program, and playlist. In the skin playback mode, each element is independent, including the template and each zone. In other words, each element can apply their own multimedia and scheduling settings. For example, in this part, we want to configure the orange and blue zone to change content at different times. At 10 o'clock, the orange zone is changed, and then the blue zone is changed at 11. If you want to play the same content but only change the layout, you can change and configure the skin. For example, at 11, the skin is changed. In a program, it includes the template, each zone, and the configurations as one package. In the program playback mode, a program is replaced by another program completely. For example, program A is replaced at 10:30 by program B. In a playlist playback mode, you can add different items in the playlist and let it loop. The items include video, image, HTML or Flash, video input, remote URL, and also program. The next thing that we're going to talk about is how to configure each specific zone. There are four types of zone: video, image, text, and HTML or Flash. I will take the skin playback method as an example, but take into account that it is basically the same as for program and playlist. There are two ways to enter the configuration of the zone. One is by clicking the icon up here directly. Another one is by clicking the skin and clicking the zone that you want to configure directly. Notice that each zone can be set to be central scheduled. I will start first with the video. You can select a file that is already saved in the hard disk and move it to the right. In this way, it will be set in the playlist of the videos that will be shown in that zone. You can move it up and down and also delete it. Also, you can receive network streaming and you can configure it here. Some models also support video input. And you can receive the files from the USB. For images, you can also select files from the hard disk and move it to the right and also delete it. And there is also the option for the USB. For the text, you can enter the text directly or you can upload a text file. Also, you have the option for RSS or remote URL and receive information from the internet. For example, you can receive live news from the CNN. The most flexible part it is the HTML and Flash. You can use files that are in the folder and then capture the part that you would like to be shown from all here. For example, just this part, and then click OK. Also, you can receive information from the internet, for example, from a website, and also select the part that you would like to be shown. There are two applications developed at CAYIN. One is Twitter and another one is weather. For Twitter, you can enter the ID of the person you want to follow and its tweets will be shown in here. You can also show information of the weather, and if you don't see your country shown here, you can contact CAYIN for a personalized service. Also, you can enter embed codes, for example, for YouTube videos. After configuring and also creating the programs or the playlist, you can select what you're going to play at this moment. You can set it to be all centrally scheduled with the server, or select the layout that you want to play at this moment, or also the program package or the playlist. After that, from the web administrator, if you want to see what is playing at this moment on the screen, you can have a snapshot. And this is a live image, and you will see it updated every few seconds.